Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've been looking for a high quality leather jacket, then you're gonna love this one from Isaac and David.
This is a genuine lambskin leather jacket in such a classic style. I really appreciate the craftsmanship that has gone into this jacket. I love how it was shipped in this gorgeous bag, so I knew from the get-go that this was such a high quality jacket. The leather is so smooth and so comfortable. It has really been such a joy to wear. I love all of the little touches like the interior pocket, the three exterior pockets, as well as the snaps on the back, and all of the little touches that really have made this such a high quality piece. And while it is such a classic design, it is also so unique in the way that it is done. I really think this is such a great investment. You can wear this with any outfit. I've worn it dressed up, dressed down. It is so comfortable, and the longer you wear it, the better this jacket looks. I got mine in a size extra large, and I would say this jacket runs 100% true to size.
I think this is the perfect leather jacket to go with everything. It's super high quality and I love it. And that's my point of view.